Ready to unlock the potential of borderless banking for your US-based business with a Revolut business account? First, you'll need to head over to the Revolut business website and find the section for business accounts. Usually, it's right on the homepage. Look for a button labeled Sign Up or Get Started, and click it to begin your application there. Next, the initial sign-up involves providing some basic information. You will be asked for your email address, and to create a password, make sure you use a strong password and a working email address, as this will be essential for account verification. After setting up your basics, you will be prompted to choose the legal structure for your business. You need to select US LLC from the list of available options. This step is crucial as it specifies the type of business's account you are setting up. You'll then be guided through the information related to your US LLC, typically including details such as your business name, address, and your EIN employer identification number, and they'll likely ask for an operating agreement, but the application should provide instructions. Revolut will need to verify your identity, which is a standard security measure. This will involve uploading supporting documents, such as a governmentist ID like your passport and driving license. Once your verification is complete, your application is fully submitted and Revolut will review it, and you will be notified of their response if approved. You gain access to a wide suite of features, including multi-currency accounts, international payments, cards for your team, and much more. So, are you ready to revolutionize your business banking? Head on over to Revolut Business now and start taking your business global.